Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. So in this video we will learn how to integrate PayKickstart and FreshBooks. So our use case is pretty simple. When a new sale is created in PayKickstart, it will automatically create a client in FreshBooks. Now PayKickstart is an awesome subscription billing software and FreshBooks is an accounting software. So what we are going to do is, we are going to send the data from PayKickstart to FreshBooks. But there is one minor problem. There is actually no integration between PayKickstart and FreshBooks. So in cases like these, we need to bring a third app to connect them both. So in this video, we will be using Pabbly Connect to integrate PayKickstart and FreshBooks. And the best part of using Pabbly Connect is, there is no need for coding skills or programming knowledge. It can be done easily. Let me show you on my screen.
Okay, so to begin the process, first type pabbly.com in your browser. Pabbly.com. Press enter. Okay, so this is the website of pabbly.com. So here hover on products and at the bottom you will find the option called as connect. Click on connect and then click on sign in. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. As you can see, I already have made an account in Pabbly Connect. You can also create your own free account in just 2 minutes. Here I would like to mention one more thing, that Pabbly Connect offers a plan where this integration can be tried out absolutely free. So how about you create your own account right now and set up your own automation. The link is available in the description box. Actually, I would insist that you try this automation with me. It's actually pretty fun. Okay, so scroll down and at the bottom you will find connect. Here click on access now. At the right top corner, you will find a button called as create workflow. Click this. A dialog box appears in front of you. It is asking you to give a name to this workflow. I am going to give it as PayKickstart to FreshBooks. PayKickstart to FreshBooks. Okay. Then click on create. So when you click on create, a window appears in front of you. This is called as the trigger window. So in the choose app, let's make it as PayKickstart because we want to send the data from PayKickstart. Now in the trigger event, how about we make it as transaction sales? Okay, so transaction sales is basically a trigger. So your obvious question is, what is a trigger event? Trigger is basically an if statement. It asks a question, if the condition is met, what should be done? For example, when a new transaction sales happen, then what action should be taken by the system? Actually, there are more triggers like fulfillment refund, fulfillment on hold, subscription completed, and so on. All of them are bunch of triggers. However, in case if you don't find the trigger of your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com for the specific trigger that you want to make. But at present, I just want to send the data when there is a new transaction sales. Okay, so basically the gist of the process is we are trying to integrate PayKickstart to Pabbly Connect. So let's have a look at PayKickstart. Okay, so first of all, to begin the integration, click on this part called as campaigns. And here you have to select a product that you want to integrate with. For example, I'm going to integrate this product, that is t-shirt. Okay, so I'm just going to click on this edit part. Okay, so scroll down. This is the edit page part. And at the bottom, you will find integrations. Click this. Okay, so this is the integrations page. Scroll up. And here you will find the option called as IPN URL. Click on add. So here it is giving a blank for the IPN URL. So here you have to enter the webhook URL. So your obvious question is where I'm going to find the webhook URL. So let's have a visit to Pabbly Connect again. So this is the webhook URL you want. This is also the IPN URL. Copy this and simply paste it here. Okay. Now we have to set the events as transaction sales. Okay. So basically we have entered the IPN URL and also set the event as transaction sales. Excellent. Now scroll up and at the right side you will find the option called as save. Click on save. Okay, so basically it means that we have successfully integrated this product to Pabbly Connect. So basically this means that anytime data is entered in this product, Pabbly Connect has to capture this data. So as to ensure that Pabbly Connect captures this data, let's go to Pabbly Connect and click on capture webhook response. Okay, so it is showing it is waiting for the data. So let's go to PayKickstart and create one dummy transaction. So I'm going to go to campaigns once more and I'm going to click on the checkout link. So basically, this is the checkout link. I'm basically copying this checkout link and I'm opening this in a new tab. Okay, so yes, I'm going to proceed. Okay, so we are going to give a name to this person, Tyson. And the dummy person's name is Jeremy. Okay, it has Jeremy. Okay, and the email is Tyson Word ACTDC. Okay, this is the email. Then click on next tab, and these are the details. So how about we alter it some? Okay, so how about we remove some of the details? It is demanding only 40 characters, not more than 40 characters. Okay. Raisen Road, okay, state of Karnataka, state of Haryana, okay, doesn't matter, okay. So click on next step and complete purchase. Okay, so it is showing a customer called as Tyson Jeremy has made a purchase. Now since Pabbly Connect is integrated with this product, how about we check Pabbly Connect has captured this data or not? Okay, so it is showing it is waiting for the data, so give it 1 or 2 seconds. Okay, so the data has been captured. So as you can see, it is showing the billing address, the amount, the billing city, the billing country, the billing state. Okay, and we have the name. This is the first name and this is the last name, Jeremy. And we have the campaign ID and the currency, excellent. Okay, so this means we are ready to sync in the data to create a client in FreshBooks. So to do that, just click on this plus button. When you click on this plus button, another window opens up. This is called as the action window. So in the choose app, let's make it as FreshBooks. Okay, so in the action event, how about we make it as create a client? Okay, so now there are many more action events like create invoice, create a project, and so on. However, just like the triggers, if you don't find the action event of your choice, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com to custom build an action event for you. But at present, I just want to create a client. Then click on connect with FreshBooks. In the new credentials, just again click on connect with FreshBooks. Okay, so it is showing the authorization is successful. Just click on OK. Now, as you can see, when we click on authorization is success, as the authorization is success, a set of blanks has appeared in front of you. The purpose of this blank is very simple. We are going to create a client in FreshBooks from the data that we have received from PayKickstart via Pabbly Connect. Now, before we sync in the data, let me tell you something. Pabbly Connect doesn't take any chances with your data. Your data is 100% safe and secure with us. Okay, so in the account ID, it is showing as Pabbly. This is because my account name is Pabbly. It is already mapped this. Now in the email, we are just going to map in the email. So this is the email. Okay. And similarly, we are going to map in the first name. Then we are going to map in the last name, Jeremy. Then we have the phone number. Okay, so similarly, we have the primary street. Basically, this is the address. Okay, the address part 2. Okay, Raisen Road. Then we have the city as Bangalore city. State or province. State is Haryana. Postal code, do we have the postal code? No. The zip code or something related. Okay. Okay, so we can also enter the country if we want. Okay, so basically we have entered all the details. Just click on save and send test request. Okay, so the API response is showing the data has been sent to FreshBooks. So let's have a look in FreshBooks. Let's have a look in clients. Okay, so we have a person called as Tyson Jeremy. So the presence of this client in FreshBooks shows that we have successfully integrated FreshBooks and PayKickstart with help of Pabbly Connect. So how about we double check if the integration is working fine or not? So to do that, let's go to Pabbly Connect. And before that, actually, let me show you the whole gist of the process. So actually, I'm minimizing my action window and I have minimized my trigger window. Okay, so basically, this is the whole process in a nutshell. First, you integrated PayKickstart to Pabbly Connect, and then you integrated Pabbly Connect to FreshBooks. So now there is a perfect flow of data between PayKickstart and FreshBooks. Excellent. So how about we create one more dummy transaction in PayKickstart. So I'm opening this checkout link in a new tab. Okay, so the name of the person is Tyra Campbell. Campbell. Okay, so the name is Tyra Campbell 123@gmail.com. Then click on next step. So Tyra is from, how about we keep it as Iceland, and she lives in G10 place or something. Okay. Province is a Southerners. I don't know how to pronounce that. And then we have the phone number for Tyra as a, how about we change this to Iceland? Iceland, okay. 9131323915. Okay. Then click on next step, complete purchase. Okay, so a purchase has been made by a dummy customer called as Tyra Campbell. So let's have a look in FreshBooks clients. Do we have a person called as Tyra Campbell? So let me refresh this. Okay, yes, we have a person called as Tyra Campbell. Okay, so this shows that our integration is working absolutely fine. This means anytime a sale happens in PayKickstart, it will be automatically reflected by the presence of a client in FreshBooks.